Do you want to start your own print store for the New Year's? Here's how you can do it super easily in under 10 minutes with no need for upfront inventory. First, you can start out by picking a print-on-demand service. If you're not sure where to start, you can check out the sponsor of today's video, Printful. Printful has a wide variety of products including prints, shirts, mugs, notebooks, and even more, and I use it for my own merch store too. It's super easy and has no upfront costs or inventory required, and they print and ship everything for you, so you only need to focus on designing the merchandise and the store itself. Next, you can pick an e-commerce platform like Shopify, Etsy, Big Cartel, or build your own with Squarespace, Wix, or WordPress. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and choose Shopify. Here on Shopify, go through the onboarding process, and then under what you plan to sell, click Print on Demand Products. If you're new, there's also an intro offer of $1 per month for 3 months, but after the first 3 months, it will cost around $39 a month for the basic plan afterwards. Next, on the admin page, click Apps, then Add, and then under Get More Recommendations, go to the Shopify App Store and search for Printful. Add this to your Shopify store and then connect your Printful account. If you don't already have a Printful account, you can just sign up and make a new one. Once connected to your Printful account, you can pick out your products, in this case, prints. I'm assuming that you clicked on this video because you already have art or photos that you want to make prints of, but make sure that your images are high enough resolution to fit the sizes that you want. For image resolution, you ideally want 300 dpi or dots per inch at the largest size that you plan on printing at. If you're wondering what DPI is, DPI stands for dots per inch and determines how many pixels, represented by dots, occupy each inch of space on a physical print. Most of the time, a DPI of 150 to 300 is recommended, as any lower than that could cause the final image to become blurry after being printed. On the topic of printing, while drawing, in most programs, by default, your color space will be in RGB, or red, green, and blue colors. Meanwhile, for printing, typically prints use CMYK or cyan, magenta, yellow, and black colors. The key differences between these two color spaces is that in RGB, when you mix all the colors together and set it to the highest values, you get white. Whereas with CMYK, when you mix all the colors at their highest values, you get black. This results in generally lower saturation prints when compared to RGB. To preview CMYK colors in Photoshop, you can go under View, Proof Colors, and click this to enable the preview. Alternatively, if you're using Clip Studio Paint, you can go under View, Color Profile, Preview Settings, and then click which profile to preview. For example, you can use CMYK US Web Uncoded V2 to preview what the color will look like. So once you have your canvas that's at the correct resolution, you can go ahead and click on Start Designing on the product that you want under Printful. Printful has a wide variety of products, but for this tutorial, let's just focus on prints to make it easier for us. Under the design editor, you can adjust the design, sizing, or aspect ratio of the image, and you can also select multiple sizes and adjust the cropping as needed based on the aspect ratio. Once you finish that, you can go ahead and pick your mockup photo. You can also upload your own, but let's save that for later. Next, you can write your description or use the default one, and then set your prices. When it comes to prices, you'll see two numbers here: the Printful base price, which is what Printful will charge you to make and ship it, and also the retail price, which is what your customer pays. The retail price can be set by yourself, and then the difference between these two prices is your profit margin. When pricing your products, be sure not to price it too low. If you're using Shopify, you have to make at least back the monthly subscription fee and any additional transaction fees. It's best to aim for at least around a 25% profit margin. Remember that your art has value and print on demand is a convenient service, so make sure that you're actually paying yourself for the art or design work that you've done. After all, you definitely do not want to lose money after fees when making a merch store. Now that we've finished, you can go ahead and repeat this process for as many products or prints as you want. Once you have your products, you can go back into your Shopify store and customize your store. You can customize the default Shopify domain as well for no added cost, or connect your own domain. If you want to buy your own custom domain, I personally like using Pork Bun since it's cheaper than most other sites. To customize the appearance of the store, you can go under Themes, pick a theme you like, and then customize it based off of that. Fonts, colors, and images can all be customized, so just pick a theme that you like, the skeleton or the base of, and then adjust based on that. Also, if you're struggling with the colors or visual identity of your site, you can use a free program like Canva, Affinity, or Photopea to design logos, create your brand identity, and make any visuals. If you have absolutely no idea in terms of where to start even for colors, Coolors.co is a great site for palette ideas. If you're also struggling with the format or the layout of your store overall, Printful also has a great demo store that you can take a look at for web design inspiration too. And finally, if you want to check the products for yourself and order samples, you can also do that with Printful. If you go under Billing, Discounts, and then scroll down to Sample Orders this month, you can order samples of your product at a discount. You'll start with 1 sample order per month and can order up to 3 items per sample order. After ordering, they'll send the order to the manufacturing and fulfillment center, and then it'll get shipped out to you pretty quickly. Prints are also generally delivered faster than other products, at least from my own personal experience. I received mine in 3 business days, but your mileage may vary. Printful prints are also shipped in a sturdy triangle box and rolled up, so there's no fear of denting or damage during transport. It's also printed on very thick, high-quality, anti-glare matte paper. Because the paper it's printed on is so thick, you may need to either frame it or put it under heavy books for a few days to flatten it out. But once you do so, it's ready to go. Optionally, after receiving the samples, it may be helpful to also take your own photos of the merch that you've received and upload it and update your store. This is totally optional, but helps to make your store look more trustworthy. While the digital mockups that Printful generates are great and look professional, nothing beats the real photo of the actual product in an actual space. And here's our final store. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I would appreciate if you give this video a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more from my channel. Also, if you'd like to learn how to make more custom merch with Printful, including more unique merchandise like embroidered badges or mouse pads, check out the video linked on screen here. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!